technical appeal with a rugged urban aesthetic, Nike updates the Air Max Plus for 2025 with the all-new dark smoke gray edition. Wrapped in resilient Cordura textile, this iteration is engineered for durability and weather resistance, making it ideal for demanding conditions without losing its streetwear edge. Black accents on the sole, DPU overlays, and laces enhance its stealthy, tactical vibe, while the tonal gray palette delivers understated boldness. Nike retains the iconic tuned air cushioning, ensuring comfort alongside toughness. Subtle branding and the inclusion of a Cordura tag underscore its utility-focused design. This functional twist marks Nike's continued commitment to performance-driven footwear that doesn't compromise on style. Whether you're navigating urban streets or braving unpredictable weather, the Air Max Plus Cordura offers a balance of grit and fashion. Expect the dark smoke gray colorway to hit shelves in 2025, catering to sneakerheads who favor function, form, and futuristic flair in equal measure.